All right, guys, so today what we worked on was substituting in solutions for variables to see if they made the equation true. So on our homework tonight, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So let's review how to do that. Steps to checking your equation. Okay, so the first thing is to substitute your answer into the original problem any place that you see the variable. Okay. Then you're going to evaluate each side of the equation separately. So if you have a variable on the left and a variable on the right, just like when we were identifying equivalent expressions, you need to solve them out individually. Okay, draw that line down the middle, solve the left first, solve the right next, then see if they match. All right, then check to see if both match. Okay, when you get down to the bottom, if they match, it is a solution, and if they don't match, then it's false. It's not a solution. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 1. It asks x equals 8 is the solution to 5 plus x equals 13. And we want to know, is that true or is that false? So very first thing is we're going to rewrite the original problem. Okay, we're always going to start with that original problem. 5 plus x equals 13. So now what we're going to do, they give us x equals 8. Everywhere we see an x, we're going to substitute in our 8. Okay, so instead of 5 plus x, we're going to have 5 plus 8 equals 13. Okay, then you just evaluate. 5 plus 8 is 13. This side we didn't have any evaluating, so it's still 13. And we look at it and we see that 13 does equal 13, so that is true. Okay, x equals 8 is a solution, okay, because we got the same numbers down here at the bottom. Now, let's take a look at question number 2. It says y equals 30 is the solution to y divided by 5 equals 5. Now we know that this fraction bar here means to divide. So that's the operation that we're doing here. So again, start with that original problem. Okay, y divided by 5 equals 5. Now they tell us that y equals 30, and we're going to substitute everywhere we see a y, we're going to substitute a 30. So instead of y divided by 5, we're going to substitute it with 30 divided by 5. And now we just solve. 30 divided by 5 gives us 6. And this side didn't change, so it's just going to be 5. Now we have to ask ourselves, does 6 equal 5? No, it doesn't. So we know that y equals 30 is not a solution for the equation y divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, so you're going to do those same steps for every single problem and just determine if it is a solution, that's true. If it's not a solution, then it's false.